This scene highlights the importance of following safety rules in public places, especially around fuel stations. A family was sitting near a petrol pump when one person attempted to light a cigarette, which led to a sudden fire risk situation. Fuel stations clearly display warnings because flammable vapors can ignite very easily. Ignoring these instructions can put not only one person but many innocent people in danger. Such incidents show how small, careless actions can quickly turn into serious hazards. Safety signs are placed to prevent accidents, not to restrict convenience. Public awareness and responsible behavior are essential to keep shared spaces safe for everyone. Learning from such moments can help prevent similar incidents in the future. This scene shows how rushing and lack of attention at road crossings can lead to severe accidents. Intersections require drivers to slow down, observe signals, and check for oncoming vehicles. When rules are ignored, even a few seconds can change everything. Speeding reduces reaction time and increases the impact of collisions. Road safety depends on patience, awareness, and respect for traffic laws. Such incidents remind us that safe driving saves lives. Following rules protect not only drivers but everyone. This scene highlights the importance of child safety around busy roads. When a child gets off a school van and tries to cross the road alone, the risk increases, especially if vehicles are moving fast. Drivers should always slow down near school vans and residential areas. School van drivers also have a responsibility to drop children as close to their homes as possible to reduce the need for road crossing. Parents and guardians should teach children to wait, look carefully, and cross only when it is safe. Simple precautions like proper drop-off points and reduced speed can prevent serious incidents. This situation reminds us that safety decisions made by adults play a crucial role in protecting children every day. This scene highlights how everyday work environments can still carry unexpected risks if situational awareness is ignored. The worker was performing his routine duties, assuming the nearby street dogs were harmless since they are commonly seen in such areas. However, animals can behave unpredictably, especially if they feel threatened or startled. This incident reminds us that familiarity should never replace caution. Maintaining a safe distance from animals and being alert to changes in their behavior is essential. Workplaces should also promote basic safety awareness about surrounding hazards. Small precautions can play a big role in preventing sudden and avoidable incidents. This dashcam footage shows cars moving carefully on a snowy road where low traction makes driving unpredictable. Suddenly, the vehicle ahead loses control due to the slippery surface and starts to slide sideways. Within moments, the car rotates multiple times, highlighting how quickly conditions can change in winter weather. This scene emphasizes the importance of reducing speed, maintaining safe distance, and using proper winter tires on snow-covered roads. It also shows why smooth steering and gentle braking are critical to avoid loss of control. Snow and ice significantly reduce tire grip, even for experienced drivers. Such incidents remind us that defensive driving is essential during harsh weather conditions.